Today, we are making a super simple DIY bird bath. One round bowl, some small petals, seashells, solar fountain for bird baths. Step 1. Fill your bowl with water. Step 2. Add the pebbles and seashell to decorate the inside. Super easy, easy peasy. Step 4. Place the solar fountain in the bowl. And just like that, we've created a cozy little space for our feathered friends. Now just set it in a sunny spot. The more sunlight it gets, the higher and longer the fountain will run, making it even more beautiful. I added a bit more water and now we wait for the birds to visit. Well, guess what? Our first visit was a chipmunk. And of course, the squirrel couldn't miss out either. This space was made for birds, but there are no birds in sight yet. And now, the big question, when will the birds come? Yay! Guess what? Our first visitor just arrived. A hummingbird. I'm so happy to finally share my very first video with you. Let's take a moment to admire this tiny and precious guest. I hope even more feathered friends will come next time. Thanks for watching. See you next video.